Gina. Welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited today because I am using a new beauty toy, a new hair toy, and also I'm excited because I am about to do my first flat iron of the fall season. And I have been, if you have watched any of my other videos, I have talked about how I could not wait to flat iron my hair. So today is the day. So what I'm using, I'll be shampooing and conditioning with products from Uncle Funky's daughter. And I'm using the Maximum Thermal Protection collection. And it's really, really good. You get everything you need to flat iron your hair or thermal style your hair, and you don't have to worry about causing any damage if that's a big concern to you. So the first step is the purifying cleanser. This is your shampoo, clarifies your hair and gets any buildup off of it, and that's the first step in prepping your hair for a flawless flat iron. Next, you get a deep conditioner, and what makes me really impressed with this line is that other thermal systems that I've used, which are great, no shade to them, but they don't come with a deep conditioner built into the system. So I especially love that I don't have to worry about finding some other deep conditioner to use along with this, along with the system, and hope it works and doesn't counteract the cleansing from this line. And then after I shampoo and deep condition, I will be using the primer, which is what I'll use right before I blow dry my hair. Speaking of blow drying, here's my brand new toy. It's so brand new, I haven't even taken off this little this little bow. For years, I have been using a traditional handheld blow dryer, but my hands and fingers and arms are getting tired, and I've had my eye on blow dryer brushes. For some reason, this one by Revlon just stood out to me, and I wanted to try it. So I will be blow drying my hair with the new blow dryer brush and giving you my thoughts on it. So I'll be reviewing this brush, and this is actually part one of a two-part video. So I will be shampooing my hair off camera. I've used this system before, so I won't go through the full shampooing and conditioning. If you would like to see that, I will link my previous video on the Uncle Funky's daughter. I'll put it in the cards and also link it in the description box. But my main focus in this part one of the video is using the blow dryer brush. I am about to go and shampoo this mop. All right, my hair is washed and deep conditioned. And now I'm just going to finish detangling it. I've detangled all the rest of it because it was certainly tangled from my wash and go. And I just have it in 4 sections. So what I think I'll do, I'm going to use my traditional blow dryer on one side and then use the Revlon blow dryer brush on the other side, just to see how the two sides of hair will come out. All right, so this thing is brand spanking new. Like I said, I haven't even taken the label off. It's on there good too. Okay, so it is the Revlon One Step Volumizer Plus, and so some things about it. It has a new 2.4-inch oval brush head, and on the back of the box it says it has 4 settings: low, medium, high, and cool. And it has easy styling and control with the sleek handle. It has a detachable brush head. In case you want to travel with it. So it's travel and storage friendly. So it has the detachable brush head and 40% longer motor life. And This is the Volumizer Plus, so I think this is the second generation from the original. And it is supposed to dry and style in one step. So I won't be using it to style my hair. At least I don't think so, but I'll see how it works. All right, so there's the inside of the box. All right. And all I'm going to do is just assemble it and get started. I had the hardest time getting this thing out of the box. All right, so here are the two pieces, and you put them on. There's a little lock and unlock. So right now, if you can see, it's unlocked, and then you just turn it into place and it locks. And you hear a little clicking sound too, but that lets you know that it is locked. So there we go, it is locked. And I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry one side with my traditional blow dryer, and then use the blow drying brush on the other side. But first I'm using my thermal protectant from Uncle Funky's Daughter. Let's see. All right, I'll do this side first with the blow dryer. Okay, here's the blow dried side. It just looks the same as it normally always does. And what I will do is just clip it and start on the other side. Okay, how do you turn it on? Haha. Okay, I'm not finished with this whole side, but I want to give some initial first impressions. So I had my setting on medium, and at first I wasn't feeling the heat, and I was thinking to myself, on the last section I'll crank it up to high. I'm glad I didn't, because right before I stopped the blow dryer I saw some white smoke, and I'm not sure if it was just the primer burning off or what. So I'm so glad I didn't kick it up to high. I left it on medium. And you know what? This barrel gets really hot. That barrel in there, it gets really hot. So I'm going to make sure that I don't let my hair linger on that barrel too long. I don't know if it's plastic or what. Kind of feels like plastic, but I'm not sure. And it's still hot to the touch right now. So I will not let my hair linger on that barrel. I love the way it grips my hair at the roots. That was just a totally different feeling from the traditional blow dryer. So I like that. I feel like you can really get a good blowout with this. But let me finish up and we'll see if my thoughts change. Okay, so here's the blow dryer brush side, and this is the blow dryer side. And this one is definitely smoother to me. It's definitely sleeker. Now, I will say, in fairness, I don't know if this side is a little bit more fluffy because I had it clipped back. And this side is freshly blow dried. But anyway, at first glance, this is the sleeker side and this is the Revlon side. If I close my eyes, this is a softness check, by the way. If I close my eyes, both sides feel really soft. This side does feel a little bit softer, a little bit more, a little bit smoother. Definitely, yeah, definitely smoother, definitely smoother. And let me turn around and let you see the back. This side definitely, it feels sleeker. I can't see the back, but this side definitely feels sleeker. Okay. All right, as far as shine, I think both sides have about the same amount of shine on them. And that, a lot of that could be from the primer that I use, the Uncle Funky's Daughter. And this is a blow dry brush. So I think the bristles are going to get that hair in place and make it feel smoother. Speaking of the bristles, these bristles are fantastic. I could feel them when they gripped the roots of my hair. And I love that. This gives a totally different feel than a traditional blow dryer. When you do this, it's a brush. You can feel it gripping your hair just like when you're using a regular hairbrush. And I like that about it. But be careful with this barrel. Like I said, just don't let your hair sit on here too long. Like when you pass the brush through, don't let it sit in one spot. I think that could cause some problems. But it's easy to maneuver. It's lightweight. Yeah, it's not the lightest. It's not as light as a regular hairbrush, but it's not heavy. It's not very heavy. It's easy to maneuver. I like that. I wasn't clanking myself in the head and in the face. But yeah, and it's not very loud. I like that it's not loud. It's probably maybe just a smidge quieter than the blow dryer, or they might be right there neck and neck. So as far as loudness, it's not extra loud. It has a lot of power. I really like that. I didn't use it on my hair for volume. That's not what I was going for. I was going for a blowout. Just a nice, sleek, smooth blowout. And as I look at my hair now, both sides are starting to look the same. So initially this was the smoother, tamer side, but now that I'm sitting here, they're starting to look more alike. This side maybe just looks a little bit more elongated, but that could just be because I blow dried it last and it hasn't been tucked away. I give this blow dryer brush, I give it a 10 out of 10. It did everything I wanted it to do. It got my hair dry very quickly and my hair feels smooth. I don't have any snags or tangles. One thing, at a few instances, my hair kind of got tangled up in these bristles, but no more than they do when I'm using my wet brush. They're made the same way with the little balls on the ends, the little beads on the ends. But to me, that's a non-issue. It's a non-issue. Yeah, I'm glad that I made this purchase, and as long as it holds up for me, I will be using it. I like it. My arms don't get, my arm didn't get tired. I'm not having to hold hair and then brush it like I sometimes have to do with the blow dryer and the pick attachment, or if I don't have the pick attachment and I have to use a paddle brush and the blow dryer. So this is a one-hander. It's a one-hander if you want it to be. Great purchase for me. Worth the $70? I guess so. So those are my thoughts. If you have this blow dryer brush, let me know what you think about it. If it has lived up to what you hoped it would live up to be. And don't forget to watch part 2 of this video where I will be actually flat ironing my hair. Yay! Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.